Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School, and before we begin with our video, as usual I would like to give you few advice that we should follow every day without fail. The first thing that I tell you every day, that whenever you go out of the homes, please see that you wear your mask and see that you also carry sanitizer with you if possible. Use sanitizer frequently at regular hours during the day. Keep your hand washed, and as possible, if when you come back from outside, see that you wash your hands nicely for 30 seconds with a soap. And don't forget to do this in any case. First wash your hands and then touch any other things. Also, if possible, please eat the food which is cooked at home, the food which is prepared at home, the hot food you should eat on the same time. Don't wait for the food to get cold and then you eat. Eat the food which is good for you, eat the food which gives you proteins and vitamins. Stay healthy and stay safe and stay indoors. Stay in the house, don't go outside. Keep watching the videos regularly and keep your surroundings neat and clean. Let us read a thought. Treat others the way you want to be treated. So, what is the meaning of this thought? The meaning of this thought is that if you want that someone should behave nicely with you, then you have to behave nicely with that person. If you don't behave nicely, if you don't speak politely, then the person will also not speak politely with you. In short, if you want respect, then you have to give respect. So give respect, take respect. That is the meaning. The topics that we are going to cover in today's video, that is, we have already started in the previous video the revision of nouns, singular and plural. We had done the introduction of the concept. I have given the introduction what are nouns, and we have also seen what is the difference between singular and plural nouns. And then we had started changing the singular nouns to the plural nouns. So in today's video also we shall continue with the same topic of singular and plural, and we shall solve some further new exercises with some new rules. I will teach you some new rules, and based on that rules we shall solve a few exercises which are based on singular nouns and plural nouns. So let us quickly begin with our video. So in the previous video, what have we done? We have seen singular and plural nouns. I had told you that nouns are naming words. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. We had seen a few examples of the nouns. After that, we had also seen further some more examples, some more tables. In that, we had seen examples like bridge, bridges, apple, apples, house, houses, bench, benches, tree, trees, road, roads. After that, we had also solved exercise based on singular and plural noun, and then we had solved a passage. We had read one story of Raju the tailor. In this, we had underlined all the plural nouns in this passage. And lastly, in the previous video, we had also written the answers of this table, changing from singular to plural nouns. So today we will continue after this. So what is given? Nouns, singular and plural. Today I will teach you some new rules about this same topic. See, what is given? Let's learn. So let us learn what is given over here. The English alphabet has both consonants and vowels. In English we have seen that there are two types of alphabets. One is consonant and the other is vowels. While A, E, I, O, U are vowels, the rest of the letters are consonants. So there are 5 vowels. Which are they? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are called vowels, and the rest are called consonants. So how many vowels are there? 5 vowels are there. A, E, I, O, U. And there are 21 consonants. Total 26 alphabets in ABCD, 5 are vowels and rest 21 are consonants. So, when we make plurals from singulars, the spelling of plurals change according to the vowels or consonants at the end of the words. So, while I teach you singular and plural, we have to be very careful because the spelling will change. It depends whether the given alphabet, whether the ending is consonant or vowels. Means if in the ending you see vowels or in the ending we might see consonants. So according to that the spelling will change. When you are changing from singular to plural, we have to see that whether the last alphabet, what is the last alphabet? Is it a vowel or the consonant? Let us see the examples. For nouns ending with consonant plus y, the plural is formed changing y into ies. See now what is given over here. If the ending is consonant plus y, consonant means any alphabets from that 21. Consonant means that 21 alphabets which are not vowel. So if in ending if you see y, then you have to change it into ies. Remember, in the ending if you see y, then you have to change it into ies. That is the rule number 1 that I am teaching you today. So example, we will see what is the meaning of this example. Lady, ladies. Fairy, fairies. So what is the difference? See, lady, lady, ladies, ladies. Do you notice something? That instead of y, I have cut alphabet y, and instead of y, I have written ies. Instead of y, we shall write ies. We have to cut this alphabet y. And what are we writing? ies. Same way for the next example, fairy, fairy, fairies, fairies. So here we have to remove y and we have to add ies. Lady, ladies. Fairy, fairies. Removing y, we have to add ies. That is the difference. That is the thing that we have to remember. That is the first rule. Whenever you see y, remove y and add ies. Lady, ladies. Fairy, fairies. Then what is given? Now form the plural for these words. Now we have to write the plural form of these words. What is given? Fly. So what is the plural of fly? And here what is given? Duty. So what is the plural of duty? Let us write the answers. So for fly we write flies. Flies, because we have to remove this y and we have to add ies. Fly, flies. Same way duty. So what is the last alphabet? Y. So when y is given, we have to remove y and we have to add ies. So let us write duties, duties, and I have put it in the blank. Fly, flies. Duty, duties. See here also y is removed and ies is added. Same way here also y is removed and ies is added. For nouns ending with a vowel plus y, the plural is formed by simply adding s. See now, let us read what is given. day, day. So the last alphabet is y, but what is the previous alphabet? The second last alphabet is a. It is a vowel. So when vowel is given, the second last alphabet is vowel. We just have to add s. days, days. Same way here. See, what is the spelling? monkey, monkey. The last alphabet is y. But what is the second last alphabet? Second last alphabet is e. That is a vowel. So we will only add s, nothing else. monkeys, monkeys. Why did we add s? Because the second last alphabet e is a vowel. So we only have to add s over here, nothing else. Then third example, boy, boy. So second last alphabet is o. See, last is y, but second last alphabet is o, and o is a vowel. So we only add S over here, nothing else. B-O-Y-S, boys. Day, days. Monkey, monkeys. Boy, boys. So that is the rule. When you see vowel plus Y, we only add S, nothing else. Means before Y, if you see a vowel, like here before Y we see A, here before Y we saw E, here before Y we saw O. So we just added S in all the answers, nothing else. And before Y, if you see a consonant, like before Y you see D or before Y you see R, then we have to add IES. That is the only difference. Now form the plural for these words. Now we have to write the plural form of the words. The questions are given over here. We have to make plural. Plural means more than one. Singular is given. We have to write plural. So first one, R-A-Y, ray. So see, last alphabet is Y. But what is before Y? A is given. That is a vowel. So we will just add S, nothing else. R-A-Y-S, raise. And we'll just put it over here. Because the second last alphabet is vowel, we only have to add S. Raise. Key. The answer is keys. Second last alphabet is vowel. So just adding S, the spelling becomes K-E-Y-S. Keys. And I have put in the blank. Key, keys. Then third one, toy. The last alphabet is Y, second last is vowel O. So just adding S, the spelling becomes T-O-Y-S, toys. And just as I have put in the blank, it's as easy. Toy, toys. Then valley. Again, the last alphabet is Y, but second last is vowel E. So we will just add one S, nothing else. V-A-L-L-E-Y-S, valleys. And just putting in the blank which is given. Valley, valleys. So these are all the examples of the singular and plural which we have to make change. When before Y if you see any vowel, then you just have to add S everywhere. Ray, rays. Key, keys. Toy, toys. Valley, valleys. These are the changes that we shall make. Then what is given third rule for today? Most common nouns ending with FE or F form the plural by changing FE or F into VES. So in the ending, if you see FE or F, we have to write VES. Remember, that is the rule. If the ending is FE or F, then we have to write VES in the ending. So let us see the examples based on these rules. What is given? FE, VES, F and VES again. Now form the plural for these words. So we have to write plural nouns, and before that let us see the examples. Wife, then wives. Thief, then thieves. See, here FE is given, W-I-F-E, wife. So the last two are FE. So instead of that FE, we have to write VES. Here also we have changed into VES, and here also we have written VES. THIEF, thief. So remove the last two alphabets and write VES. THIEVES, thieves. This is the example where we have to remove F and we have to write VES. Here we have to remove FE and write VES. Same way, let us write the answers for these two. Now form plural for these words. So leaf, L-E-A-E-F, leaf. So instead of F, what shall we write? We shall write VES, leaves. So the spelling is L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. And I have put in the blank L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Leaf, leaves. Instead of F, we have to write VES. Next, knife. The knife is very sharp object which is used for cutting vegetables. So instead of FE, we have to write VES. Just like this, we have changed from FE to VES. Same way here, instead of FE we have to write VES. So how will be the spelling? KNIVES, knives, and I have put it over here, knife, then knives. So that is my answer. See, I have removed F and I have written VES, and here I have removed FE and again I have written VES. Leaf, leaves, knife, knives. So this is the third rule that we have learnt today. Now based on these rules, can we solve one practice exercise? Can we solve the exercise where we have to remove Y, we have to remove F and FE? So let's practice and let's solve the first exercise for today. Make plurals for the singular nouns given below. So all these nouns which are given to us are all singular nouns, and we have to write the plural nouns, means we have to make it more than one. One is given to us, singular is given, and we have to make more than one. Let us read. See, first one is given, cow, cows. We just have to add s, nothing else. Cow, one cow and more than one, cows, many cows. Then second one, what is given? FOX, fox. So what do we add over here? Do we add s or es? We have to add es. So let us write the answer. The spelling will be FOXES, foxes, and I have put over here fox, foxes. We have added es. See the change in the spelling. FOXES, foxes. One fox, many foxes. Second, copy. Here what is the last alphabet? Last alphabet is Y. So instead of Y, what shall we write? We will write IES, because the second last alphabet is a consonant. Here P is not a vowel. So we have to write IES instead of Y. COPIES, copies. And I have put in front of the question, copy, copies, IES. Then story, same way like we did this one. See, the last alphabet is Y, but what is the second last one? Here it is R, and R is not a vowel, so it is a consonant, and again we have to write IES instead of Y. So let us write the answer STORIES, stories, and put it in the correct place. Story, stories. Then next, country. Same way, again this is the same example like the previous two. The last alphabet is Y, and what is the second last one? R. R is a consonant. R is not a vowel. So when consonant is given, we have to write IES. Just like these two examples, over here also we have to remove Y and write IES. COUNTRIES, countries, and I have put in the correct place, country, countries. Then loaf, LOAF, loaf. You can say a loaf of a bread, one slice of the bread. So what is the last alphabet? See, last alphabet is F. So when you cut F, what do we write? Instead of F, we have to write VES. See, it is given over here, we have learnt. So instead of F, we shall write VES. So the spelling will be LOAFVES. So here I have written the answer LOAVES, loaves. One loaf and many loaves. Then next, THIRTY, 30. This is the number, the digit, but it is given in words. So 30. See, the last alphabet is Y. Can you see over here? Last alphabet is Y. What is the second last alphabet? T. So do we have to add IES? Yes or no? Yes. The second last alphabet is T. It is a consonant. So just like these examples, we have to add IES instead of Y. So the spelling will be THIRTIES, 30s, and we shall put it in the blank. THIRTIES, 30s. We have just cut Y and written IES, no other change. Then next, sky, SKY, sky. So the last alphabet is Y, and instead of Y, what shall we write? Instead of Y, we shall write IES, the same example like this one, sky, skies. So let us write the correct spelling, SKIES, skies. And I have put over here, sky, skies. Remove Y and add IES. Next one, CITY, city. CITY, city. So last alphabet is Y. We have to remove Y and add IES. Same like the previous examples. CITIES, cities. And I have put it over here. Remove Y and add IES, city, cities. Next, what is given? Calf, CALF, calf. So the last alphabet over here is F. So when we remove F, what do we have to add? We have to add VES instead of F. And all the three alphabets before that will be same. CALVES, calves. Let us write CALVES, calves. Means more than one. One calf and many calves. Calf is the young one of cow. So CALF, calf, and CALVES, calves. More than one. Instead of F, we have just written VES. No other change. Next, factory. See, factory, FACTORY. Here last alphabet is Y. So remove Y and what do we add? Just like all these examples, we have to add IES. No other change. Very easy. FACTORIES, factories. And I have put over here, see, FACTORIES, factories. Then next, SPY, spy. Again, the last alphabet is Y, and instead of Y, we shall write IES, spies. So let us write the answer, SPIES, spies, and put it in the blank. Spy, spies. Same way, factory, factories. Then let us see the next one. What is given? Half, HALF, half. Here L is silent. So half, the last alphabet is F. So we have to remove F, and when we remove F, what do we add? We add VES. See, just like this one. Just like this one, low, lows, calf, calves. So here also we have to add VES instead of F. So let us write the answer, HALVES, halves. Half, then halves, VES. Remove F and write VES. Next, toy. This is very easy. We just have to add one alphabet, S. Toy, toys. No other change. So let us write the same spelling, just adding S, TOYS, toys. One toy, many toys. Then second last, valley. So what is the spelling? VALLEY, valley. And the last alphabet is Y. But what is given before Y? Be careful. Here alphabet E is given. It is a vowel. And when vowel is given, we just have to add one S. No other change. So let us add one S. VALLY, VALLEYS, valleys. No other change. Because the second last alphabet is E, so only one S is to be added. No other change. Valley, valleys. Then turkey, Turkey, turkey. So when last alphabet is Y, but second last is vowel E. So we just have to add one S. Let us do it. Turkeys, turkeys. And I have put it in the blank. Turkey, turkeys. Just adding one S, it becomes plural. Now in the new exercise, it is something opposite of what we have done till now. Till now we have done from singular to plural. But now in this exercise, see what is the heading? Write the singular nouns of the plural given. Means plural is given more than one. See houses. Then singular is house. House is more than one. House, it is only one. So we have to change from many to one. Houses, house. Same way we have to change all other nouns to singular because we have got plural nouns. See scarves, bunnies, 50s, fairies, ways. All these are already plural. So we have to make it singular, means only one, that is singular. So let us start quickly. Scarves. So remove VES and instead of VES we write F. Just opposite of what we have done till now. SCARF. Scarf. We have to remove ES and add F, nothing else. Then what is given? Puppies. Puppy is more than one. So when one is there we say puppy. More than one we say puppies. So with one we say puppy. 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 Then next. Bunnies. Bunny means a rabbit. So bunnies means more than one. But when one is there we say bunny. So instead of IES we just add one Y. Very easy it is. BUNNY. Bunny. Bunny means one. Bunnies means more than one. But we have to write here one. Only singular form. Then wolves. Wolves means VES means more than one. Right? So what is the singular of wolves? We have to remove VES and we have to add F. That's it. So let us write the spelling WOLF. Wolf. It is singular form. Plural is wolves. VES and singular is wolf. 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 Then 50s. All this we have done in the previous exercise. 50s means more than one. If it is one, we say 50. Remove IES and just add Y. No other change. FIFTY. 50. And I put it over here. FIFTY. 50. Just like we have done in the previous examples. Instead of IES, we add Y. Here also we add Y. Then elves. Instead of elves, VES, we remove and add F. So it will become ELF. Elf. No other change. ELF. Elf. And I put it over here. Here instead of VES, I have just added one F. ELVES. Elves will become ELF. Elf. Then fairies. Fairies means more than one. So when more than one, it is fairies. Many fairies and one fairy. Remove IES and add Y. Just like this one. So let us write FAIRY. Fairy. Fairy is one. More than one, we say fairies. So remove IES and add Y. Then second last. Rays. So more than one rays and one ray. Just remove S and keep the same spelling as it is. RAY. Ray. Just removing S we get singular. Ray. Then what is given? Ways. WAYS. Ways means more than one. When one is there we say way. Remove S and just write the spelling WAY. Way. No other change. And I have put it in the correct place. So this is plural to singular. And in the previous exercise, in this exercise we have seen singular to plural. Here we have seen plural to singular. See. Houses, house. Scarves, scarf. Puppies, puppy. Bunnies, bunny. Wolves, wolf. 50s 50. Then elf elves, elves elf, fairies fairy, rays ray, ways way. So these exercise are for singular and plural and from plural to singular. In the next lecture we will meet with some new exercises. Till then, all of you please practice these worksheets and take care of yourselves. Thank you.